To find the area of a circle, we're going to use the formula that is pi times radius squared, sometimes abbreviated or shortened to pi r squared, where r stands for the radius. Here I have an illustration showing a circle with a radius of 4. My calculation, therefore, is going to be pi multiplied by 4 squared. Now I can put that in the calculator exactly as it is there, using shift followed by pi multiplied by 4, and then using the square button on our calculator to give me 4 squared. It will give me the answer in terms of pi, which I'll switch to a number and now round to 3 significant figures. 50.265 will round to 50.3 centimetres, and area is always a squared measurement. I'm going to find the area now of both these shapes. This is a semicircle or half a circle, and this is a quarter of a circle. So my half circle first. My calculation is to find the area of what would have been the full circle and then halve it. We're going to use the formula that is pi times radius squared, but I've been given the full length, so I've been given the diameter. If the diameter of my circle is 15, it means my radius is half that. Pi times 7.5 squared is 176.7 divided by 2 gives the semicircle an area of 88.35. If I'm going to round that to 3 significant figures, that would be 88.4 centimetres squared. In the quarter circle, I've been given this length here, which is already the radius. So pi times radius squared is going to give me the full circle. Pi times 2.5 squared is 19.6, but I want a quarter of it because it's a quarter of a circle, and to find a quarter I divide by 4. .6 divided by 4 gives me an area of 4.9. The area of my quarter circle is 4.9 centimetres squared. Here I have a composite shape made up of a rectangle and a semicircle. As far as the dimensions of my circle are concerned, the diameter of the circle is the same as the width of the rectangle. So my diameter is 6 centimetres. If my diameter is 6 centimetres, my radius is 3. Having split my composite shape into their 2 regular shapes, I'm going to label them up A and B. And I'm going to calculate A first. That's the rectangular part. Length times width gives me the area of shape A, 90 centimetres squared. Shape B is slightly more complex. First of all, I'm going to work out the area of what would have been the whole circle. So that would be pi multiplied by the radius squared. That's 28.3 to 3 significant figures. But because it's a semicircle, I only need half of it. So 28.3 divided by 2 is 14.15. What's left for me now to do is add the area of shape A, which is 90, to the area of shape B, 14.15, and that will give me the total area of my composite shape, 104.15 centimetres squared.